In this video, I'll show you how you can kite in League of Legends. And actually, it's not as hard as you might think. So let me just show you. Now, first here, let's add a dummy. And let's put it right here. Now, the first step is you're gonna go in your options, go to hotkeys and find player movement. From in here, you're gonna make sure player attack move is on a key that you can easily press. I have mine on A, I think that's the easiest. And I have on Shift A as well, because sometimes if you wanna run and you accidentally press Shift, it will stop attacking. So on A and Shift A, and as you can see when I press A, this will open up. This is my attack range and my attack move. So why do you need to have this? The point is, if you click on an enemy to attack them, let's say you keep clicking and you walk, then if you accidentally click next to it, you will just walk over to it instead of attacking. Now if you use the attack move and you click next to it, you will still shoot it. This is without the attack move. This is with the attack move. So by that, we're making sure we don't accidentally walk instead of shooting. So once you have that, you're gonna practice pressing A, clicking. You don't actually have to click on them, you just have to click next to them. Now another important feature is you're gonna go to interface, game I mean, and you're gonna turn on attack move on cursor. What this does is when you press A and click somewhere, it's gonna attack closest to your cursor instead of closest to your champion. So if you don't have it on, and you press A and click here, you're gonna attack this one. But if you have it on, you'll shoot this one. So what you wanna do to kite, it's really simple, guys. You wanna press A, shoot, and then walk. As soon as your auto attack shoots, you're gonna walk. As you can see, A, shoot, walk. Now why this is important is if you just shoot and stand still, you're gonna be hit by all the skill shots and everything. So A, shoot, walk. As you can see right here, A, shoot, walk. And you don't have to click on the target, just click close to it. As you can see here, I can even do like that, like that. Now let me show you how it looks with more attack speed. So let's just buy tons of attack speed right here. Let's get this, let's get that. Okay. Now let me show you with a lot of attack speed how it looks. So we're gonna go over here. And what you're gonna do, same as before, A, shoot and move. Just like this. As you can see, I'm shooting and moving. As soon as my auto attacks pop off, I'm moving. And this is basically how you kite in League of Legends. Once you've done this for a while, it's not really that hard and you get used to it. And of course, the more attack speed you have, it's a little harder to do. So if you're playing Twitch or something, you need to do it properly, because if you fail it and you cancel auto attacks, it's gonna ruin the fight. But that's basically how you can kite. Remember to hotkeys, put player attack move on something that you can easily press, and go in game and activate attack move on cursor. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.